In the world of music, few names have resonated with a global audience as profoundly as BTS. The South Korean septet, consisting of RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook, has transcended cultural and linguistic barriers to become an international sensation. BTS, short for Bangtan Sonyeondan or Bulletproof Boy Scouts, has captured the hearts and minds of millions worldwide, and their fame can be attributed to a combination of talent, hard work, relatability, and a dedicated fan base. One of the key reasons behind BTS's worldwide fame is their music. The group has a diverse discography that spans multiple genres, including pop, hip-hop, R&B, and EDM. Their lyrics often touch on personal struggles, mental health, and societal issues, making their music relatable to a broad audience. BTS's ability to connect with listeners on an emotional level has contributed significantly to their global appeal. BTS's rise to fame can also be attributed to their work ethic and authenticity. The members of BTS are known for their dedication to their craft, often participating in the songwriting and production of their music. Their authenticity shines through in their interactions with fans and the messages they convey through their music and social media. BTS has used their platform to advocate for social issues, including mental health awareness, youth empowerment, and self-love, resonating with the socially conscious generation. BTS's achievements and awards are a testament to their global impact. They have won numerous accolades, including Billboard Music Awards, American Music Awards, and Grammy nominations. In 2021, BTS became the first Korean act to be nominated for a Grammy Award. Their album Love Yourself topped the Billboard 200 chart, solidifying their status as global chart toppers. Additionally, they have broken multiple Guinness World Records, including the most viewed YouTube video in 24 hours for their music video Dynamite. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of BTS's success is their dedicated fan base, known as the ARMY, adorable representative MC for youth. ARMY is not just a fan base, it's a global community that transcends borders and languages. ARMYs are known for their passionate support, organizing fan projects, streaming events, and supporting charitable causes in BTS's name. The strong bond between BTS and their fans is a unique and powerful force that has helped the group achieve global recognition. BTS's latest programs and projects continue to captivate their fans and the world. In addition to their music releases, they have ventured into various other domains. BTS has a massive online presence, regularly engaging with fans through platforms like VLive and Twitter. They have also released documentary series like Burn the Stage and Break the Silence, which provide an intimate look into their lives and journey as artists. Furthermore, BTS has made significant inroads into the fashion industry, collaborating with brands like Fila, Louis Vuitton, and Samsung. They have also embarked on a number of philanthropic efforts, including a $1 million donation to the Black Lives Matter movement in 2020 and partnering with UNICEF for the Love Myself campaign to end violence against children and teenagers. In conclusion, BTS's worldwide fame can be attributed to their exceptional talent, relatable music, authenticity, and their dedicated fan base. Their achievements and awards reflect their impact on the global music industry, while their latest programs and projects continue to engage and inspire their fans. BTS has transcended borders and languages, becoming a symbol of unity and inspiration for people worldwide. Their journey from humble beginnings to international superstardom is a testament to the power of music and the unbreakable bond between artists and their fans.